But for now, we'll tell you that in an exclusive conversation with DD News, Dr. Jorge Berra of the Prema Ayurveda Trust has said that Ayurveda is gaining tremendous recognition in Latin America, especially after the establishment of India's Ministry of Aayush.
And he noted that Ayurveda played a vital role during the COVID pandemic as well in Argentina, highlighted the growing interest in Ayurveda studies across the region. Dr. Berra expressed deep gratitude to India for opening the doors of Ayurveda to the world, praised in particular Prime Minister Modi's leadership in promoting the ancient science globally.
Ayurveda is becoming popular in a country like Argentina. To talk more on that, I am joined by Dr. Jorge Berra, who is the director of Prema Ayurveda Trust. Sir, first of all, thank you so much for joining us on Doordarshan. My first question to you is that, what attracts you towards Ayurveda? What brings closer to you for the Ayurvedic practices and Ayurveda treatment?
Ayurveda has impacted me because it has the opportunity to bring together body, mind and soul, and also nature. And also Ayurveda see the person in the whole, and also have the opportunity to see health and balance and disease, and has the opportunity also to bring a lot of natural treatments that are very useful for the patient.
So Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we have seen he has given major push to Ayurveda. He has established an Ayush ministry in India, and he's taking Ayurveda on a global platform internationally as well. So how do you see these efforts of Indian Prime Minister for giving a push to Ayush or Ayurveda?
Sir, I'm going to India since the last 40 years, almost 40 years, and I have seen how the field of Ayurveda have changed after the creation of Ministry of Ayush under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014. Things have changed a lot. For example, we have now different MOUs with very serious Ayurvedic institutions like Central Council Research in Ayurveda, Rajasthan Ayurveda University, ITRA in Jamnagar, and that's also possible because India has opened Ayurveda for all the world, and for this reason we have full gratitude to India. And this reason also we appreciate the work from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
And also let me understand this from you, that how popular is Ayurveda? Is the West, or primarily you can say that is Latin America, is adapting towards Ayurveda? Are they going forward for the Ayurveda treatment? How is the response of the people of Argentina primarily?
Sir, I want to share with you. I have checked all the medicinal plants from Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India. Almost 80% of that medicinal plants are available in Latin America. You know that under the pandemic, the Ministry of Ayush have provided some guidelines. 80% of the medicinal plants for that guidelines are also available, for example, here in Argentina. The medical doctors consider that, I have conducted research, almost 3,000 medical doctors in our country who have checked not related with the Ayurveda. And 50% of them consider that Ayurveda should be taught at the university level, and 60% consider that Ayurveda should be taught at the PG level.
My last question to you.
Yes.
What are your expectations from Prime Minister Modi's visit? How closely are you watching it as far as Ayurveda is concerned?
You know that in the Western countries, the people consider Ayurveda only for food. But Ayurveda has a big treasure that are the Ayurvedic remedies. And I hope that the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi will help to introduce more Ayurvedic remedies also into our community.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. So clearly, Dr. Berra mentioning this point that in line with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of one world, one health, now Argentina is also rapidly going towards the Ayurveda practices. With camera person Vinay, Arun Sharma, Doordarshan News, Argentina.